What is going on, fellas and ladies? Today we're going to be building a rig for my newly acquired Logitech G920, I believe it's called. I think that was what it's called. But anyway, cheap. I think I spent $32 at the hardware store, and I have a spare seat from a Honda laying around, so that's what we're going to do. So enjoy. So first thing we're going to do is measure the base of the seat. That way we can build a frame. We're going to box out a frame for the seat, and we'll go from there. Okay, now that we got the base for the seats all cut out, we're probably going to assemble that and go from there. So, after 1 hour, about 15 minutes, we finally got the seat mounted to the base. Yeah, we're both a little slow today, so it was a chore in itself. We tried like 7 different times. I didn't really feel like recording it all, and I'm sure you guys didn't want to see it all. But this is what we got. Okay. I'm gonna get some washers for the screws that are holding this on. But that's what we got so far, and this works. So whoever's playing, like this tall guy, yeah, he can adjust the seat. So go us. Okay, now that we got the chair done, I'm going to start assembling another box similar to what we just did, but for the pedals this time. We're going to start with measurement, obviously. This is what we got so far. A little square. A little square. And this fits pretty good. There's a little wiggle because it's kind of round, so I'll figure something out. But this is what we have so far. It's about the right length for me, and then it's still really adjustable for everyone else. So something like that, and I'll build a little shelf right about here for the steering wheel, and a little shifter somewhere over here. So I just measured from the end of the box that I built for the pedals and the end of the box that I built for the seats, and it was 57 inches. So what I'm going to do is, being that I got 8-foot pieces of 2x4, I'm going to cut one of these straight down the center, and so obviously 4 foot each, and I'm going to attach them to the sides of the seat and to the sides of the pedal box. I'm gonna probably have to expand the pedal box out a little bit, so I might use a couple pieces of scrap, and it should be good enough. So this is what we got as of right now. Those are just for mock-up right now. I'll do something with that eventually. But that's for the shifter. Remember, the seat works, rails are on. Still got to build something for the steering wheel, but that shifter is pretty much in a good location for me. Yeah, so we're going to continue going here. This is more or less the finished product. I mean, I'll probably tweak it and find little quirks and things here and there, but shifter, steering wheel, pedals, seat that is fully operational. Not bad for, I don't know, 2.5, 3 hours maybe, and about $30. Alrighty, so finished product. Everything is hooked up. Everything's where it's supposed to be. Now, I know I didn't mention before, but these wheels are for maneuverability. It's a good word. There's a little handle in the back right here. Pick it up, tilt it up, and it'll roll around, so it's easy to put away, because obviously it's not going to stay in the middle of my living room. So, but yeah. Let's give it a shot, shall we?
Recalculating route.
Table or anything like that, you know how hard it is. This is so far pretty amazing for $30. I just got this, so I'm not yet. I have to calibrate the steering wheel.
Turn around when it is safe to do so.
This definitely makes for a perfect way to go. That's it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And that's pretty much it.